Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to explore logical operators in Python. These operators help you make decisions based on conditions, allowing your programs to take different paths depending on whether certain conditions are true or false. Let's dive into these essential tools with practical example and clear explanations. What are logical operators? Think of logical operators as the tools that let you make decision in your code. They evaluate expression and return either true or false. Here are the main logical operators in Python, which is AND, OR, NOT. All right. So AND operators, it is going to return true if both the statements are true. Okay, and OR returns true if at least one of the statement is true, and NOT, it is going to return the opposite of the statement's truth value. Okay, let's look at that in action so that you can understand in a better way. Now we are going to first look at AND operator. Okay, now we are going to say temperature equal to 25 is summer equal to false. All right, now we are going to say if temperature is more than 20 and is summer. Okay, is summer, whenever we add this variable, it is going to say true, right? Now if is summer is true, then execute this line of code, which is here. It is going to print it is a hot day. Now otherwise it is going to execute else, print it's not a hot day, let's go for a walk. Okay, so okay, if I run it, we should be having it is not a hot day, let's, okay, it is let, not let, let's go for a walk. Okay, let's go for a walk. So temperature 25, it is false. So here it is saying if both the condition or statement are true, then run this piece of code. But it is one is true, one is false. If I make it as true, then it should be temperature is more than 25, which is 25. Temperature is more than 20, which is 25 true, and is summer is yes, it is a summer. So we should be having it is a hot day, right? Now let me remove it. That was the example of AND operator, and then we are going to say OR. Okay, now we are going to say is weekend equal to true, or is each holiday is equal to false. Okay, now if is weekend or is holiday, any one of these is true, that is what this line means. If it is a weekend or if it is a holiday, then print time to relax and watch Netflix. Otherwise So here one condition is true, one condition is false. So that is what it is checking. If it is a weekend or if it is a holiday, then we can relax and watch Netflix. If I run it, we should be having time to relax and watch Netflix. And if I make this statement as false, this is a false, we should be having get back to work. All right, so that was the example of or operator. Let me remove it. Now we are going to move on to not operator. Okay, so I'm going to say logged in, user logged in equal to true, username equal to my name. Now if not, okay, now make it first user logged in. Okay, print welcome back, otherwise it should be print please log in. Okay, so it is very simple. We are just saying if and else condition. So if it is saying okay, welcome back, user logged in. Okay, what it is checking? If user is logged in. Here in this case, user is logged in. True, we are saying true, that means user is logged in. So if user is logged in, print welcome back, otherwise print please log in to continue. All right, now we are going to use not operator. Okay, I'm going to remove it and say if not user logged in. So what this line says is if the user is not logged in, okay, print please log in to continue. Okay, otherwise I'm going to say print welcome back, sorry, user. All right, so here we are saying the user is logged in, the status of the users logged in is true. Okay, so now what this line is checking, if the user is not logged in, then this message will be printed on the screen, please log in to continue, otherwise we should be having this message printed, welcome back, the username. All right, if I print it, we should be having welcome back Sandeep, because the status of the logged in user is true. Now if I make it false, which is when the user is not logged in, so in that case we should be having the first message printed on the screen, please log in to continue, right, because the user is not logged in. Okay, so this is how we use not operator. All right, so why we use logical operators? I'm going to remove it first. For decision making, so they allow your program to make decision based on multiple conditions. Then control flow, they are going to control the flow of your code, enabling different paths based on different conditions. Boolean logic, they reflect standard Boolean logic and or not, making your code more intuitive and readable. Now we are going to look at practical example for better understanding. Okay, so admission area. All right, so let's say we are going to write a code, okay, so which is going to determine admission to a club based on age and membership status. So let's look at that in action. We're going to comment it. We're going to create a function check admission. I'm going to pass two arguments. Our parameter is member. Okay, so first condition is if age is more than or equal to 18 and is member. Okay, if the user is more than 18 and also the member of the club, then we are going to print welcome back, you have full access. All right, now moving on to the next condition, else if age more than or equal to 18, the age of the user is 18 and okay, and not member. Okay, so here it is saying the age is 18 but the user is not member of this club, right? Then we are going to print you need to become a member of this club to get full access. All right, now we are going to say if the age is less than 18 and is member, print you need to be at least 18 years old to get to enter. All right, and then we are going to say else print eligible. Okay, all right, now we are going to say usage. Okay, now check admission. First of all, we are going to say 25. Okay, let's say 25 and true. Both the condition met, so we should be having welcome back, you have full access. This condition got executed because both the options are true. Then we are going to say check admission. The age is, let's say 17 or say no 22, but membership don't have. Then we should be having you need to become a member of this club to get full access. The second condition, okay, is going to be executed. Then we are going to say if 17 true. Okay, now you need to be at least 18 years old to enter into the membership area. I don't know how he got the membership when he is 18, he or she is below 18. Okay, so now we are going to execute the last command, so which is both this example, he or she is less than 18, and this condition also does not have membership. False. Sorry, you are not eligible. All right, so that was the example of real world example where we can use logical operators. Okay, so logical operators are indispensable tools for decision making in Python. By using and, or, and not, you can create complex conditions that guide your program's behavior. Whether you are building simple scripts or sophisticated applications, mastering these operators will empower you to write clearer, more efficient code. Keep experimenting with them to enhance your programming skills and solve real world examples or real world problems effectively. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye for now.